Hey guys, so today is day one of the engine reassembly. Shouldn't take too long. However, this is my first time rebuilding and reassembling an air-cooled Volkswagen engine, so it'll take a little bit of time just to make sure it's done right. It's family day weekend right now, so I need to spend some time inside with the family, so I'm out here for an hour or so. We'll get the crank back together, rods on, and hopefully seal up the block today. I use the press along with my exhaust tip to press on the distributor gear. So an update here on where I stand with the engine reassembly for the 66 Volkswagen Beetle. Hiding there in the back. So I've got the block ready to seal back up. Got the rods back onto the crank, new bearings installed, cam, the MP version of the angle 110, the aluminum cam gear, cam bolts are torqued down to 18 foot-pounds. The Lucas oil assembly lube. Got the cam assembly lube. Got some moly paste. And both halves of the case are sealed up with the Permatex Aviation Forma gasket. So placed on there, and it's ready to seal back up. Lifters are all in place. The new lifters go along with the MP cam, and they're all heavily coated in the assembly paste. Rods are on, move nice and free. They're tightened but not torqued to spec yet. That'll be 25 foot-pounds, I believe. Flywheels on. And you see back there. See if we get a better shot. Timing marked up properly. New cam drive gear is pressed on. Reuse the distributor gear. Oil pickup is on, tighten down. And it's time to seal it up. And then continue on with the cylinders and the jugs. Checking the crankshaft end plate here. The dial indicator set at 0. And we should be checking for 3 to 6 thousandths of an inch of play. And the crank is all the way to the back of the car. Set at 0. And all the way to the front of the car. One, 2, 3.5 tally. Zero. Looks to be in spec.